Hello, I wanted to share with you this fun website that I have found called Padlet. This is completely new to me. I found it on a list of 75 pieces of technology that teachers could use, and I'm really liking this one. This is like a vision board. You can have a free account and have up to 3 different Padlets, which I think is really neat, and that's great. I'm sure that there's a way that you can save them and keep them somewhere else. But what I really like is just how simple it is. So you can create a Padlet and you can change the name. And then you just very simply add thoughts, questions, ideas. So I'm going to make a drawing, a very rudimentary drawing. But I'm only going to draw half of it. And I can make this like a discussion question for my students. I envision this being something that can be used for a morning meeting in a classroom. That is required in our school district to have a morning meeting and an activity when they come in. And I think this would be a really fun thing to do in the morning when students come in. You could have a different thing each day and they would interact and they get to respond to these things. Finish the drawing. And I think that's really great. Just all kinds of fun, different things that you can do to move them around. Kids can interact to them, and it is just fun. And this is a really great way. I was looking at the ISTE standards, and I think that this could be used for number 2 visionary planner. And if you're looking at this and using it with a group of educators, it could literally be used as a vision board. And how do you want to approach the school year? How do you want to go about doing your job with a shared vision? So I think this is just a fun small piece of technology.